What's out there guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Axel. Yes! Kita nyo naman, hawak ko na naman ang magic cutter natin. Magic daw. Anyway, sinabi ko lang magic. Anyway, hawak ko na naman tong cutter na to. So, you're wondering why? Siyempre, may i-unbox na naman tayong bagong gadget. Kasi pag hawak ko to, or may scissor akong hawak, it's either gadget, it's pang action figures, or like appliances or furniture yung i-unbox ko guys. Yan, so right now, so andito ako sa sasakyan ni brother-in-law, and yung i-unbox ko is sa kanya din talaga. Kasi binigay na niya sa akin yung unang edition niya nitong i-unbox ko na to. So if you were wondering guys kung ano yung i-unbox ko, it's DJI Pocket 2! Wow! So ito talaga for content creators. Yan, nakalagay nga dito, creator combo. Ayan. Creator combo. Yes, and meron na siya kasamang free micro SD which is 64 GB. Andyan. So ito guys, if you are wondering ano daw yung mga nasa box, andito yung DJI Pocket 2 cover, micro tripod, mini control stick, USB splitter charging, tripod mount, wide angle lens, smartphone adapter, wireless microphone transmitter, wireless microphone widescreen, do-it-all handle, and wrist strap. Biruin nyo, ang dami nun pero nagkasya dito. You might wonder din guys kung magkano to. So wala nakalagay dito, pero right now sa market it's like 28K to 30K. Eto. Alright. So this is DJI Pocket 2. Yan. And guys, bago natin simulan yung unboxing, ito napakaganda ng kinauupuan ko ngayon. Kasi actually medyo maingay sa office. So andito naman ako sa car ni brother-in-law which is itong Ranger niya. Yan. So ilang beses ko na dito nagamit. And very smooth. Siguro one of these days mag-review na rin ako ng car para lahat na lang ng content guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna start unboxing this beauty. Right? Wala akong mapaglagyan dito sa ano, kasi kung sa dashboard ito lang yung kita, hanggang dito lang. So at least dyan guys, kita nyo ako. Here we go. So tanggalin muna natin tong ano. Kita nyo naman ha. So ito talagang sealed. Tanggalin muna natin tong nakadikit na SD card. Alright. Alright, so okay, let's start dito. Side na to. Okay. Unboxing. Ang sarap mag-unbox no guys, kahit hindi sa inyo yung ano. Kasi kayo yung nagkakaroon ng first look dun sa gamit. Kaya I'm so happy unboxing. Yan. Tanggal na ba? Okay. So ganda. Nice. So, siguro yung specs niya, I'm just gonna put it down in the description below or sama ko na din dito sa video. Ayan na. So, natanggal na guys. Then, we have here. Okay, yun lang naman. I think yun lang yung kailangan kong gamitan ng cutter. So, right about now, tama ba ito? Tama naman. Wait. Hold on, hold on. Medyo mahirap yung pagkakaano niya, ha. Ayun pala. Sa gilid. Para lang siyang phone. So dito, ayun.
Ginagawa mo.
So hindi talaga siya mahirap. Madali lang din. Kulit, anyway. So guys, moment of truth. Unahin na agad natin yung unit itself. Yan, so the unit itself is here. Let's open it. Grabe. Wow! Mas maganda to. Kasi guys, if you all know, yung first edition nito, binigay na sa akin ni Bayaw or ni brother-in-law. So, this is, ito yung unit itself. Wow! Look at this beauty. Ang ganda. Ayan guys. So ito, andito yung camera niya. Ito kasi, let's see kung meron siyang, ayun. So it's open. Ito yung camera niya. So kailangan tanggalin to. Hold on. Patayin muna natin ulit. Okay. Wait. Kailangan matanggal natin to. So device not activated. So kailangan ma-activate siya. Ayan guys. Kung papatayin natin ulit, ganun din siguro siya, no? Anyway, hindi ata yun ng off. Ito ang kabilang off, is it? Wow! Iba! Kasi if you all know guys, yung DJI Pocket 1 is, this is the on and off. Ngayon, ito yung on, tapos may off dito. So, ito, tinanggal ko yung yellow, yung mga nakadikit na yellow. So, pag inon mo siya ngayon, yan, look at that. Diba? So, haya ko na lang si brother-in-law na mag-set up nito. Pero, ganito talaga siya guys. So, susunod yan sa inyo. Depends sa settings. Ayan o, diba? Look at that. Diba? Alright, so akala ko ito din yung off. So I was trying to turn it off using this button. Pero ito na pala ang turn off button. Ayan, so bumalik na siya sa dati niyang. Okay, so ayun, ang ganda. Ito is, I need to put it here again para pag bukas ni Bayaw, diba? Tapos ito, so andito sila. Yan. Okay. Lagay ko lang ulit to, guys, no? Para solid talaga. Yan. So ito yung lalagyan niya. DJ Osmo. So this gimbal. Okay, so guys, tingnan natin yung ibang nilalaman. So ito yon, no? Balik muna natin for you guys. And later on, I'm gonna do a montage of this beauty. Ang ganda. Yeah. Okay. So, yung mga laman naman, guys, like this one, ang nandito is, so what's this? I think this one is for the microphone. no? Yeah. Talagang ano siya, ano, mahirap siyang i-open. Yeah. So we have here, yes, so ito yung ano nang for the microphone, guys. Okay, there you have it. What else do we have? Ayun, so ito naman yung for zoom. I think this is the one nga, yung for zoom. Nandito sa box yun eh. This one is for the is it mini control stick or wide large lens? Yeah, this is for the wide large lens, guys. So pag kinabit mo to, yan, so mas wide yung lens. Ang dami niyang ano, ha. Anyway, yeah, wait. We need to be careful, guys, lagi when unboxing, kasi syempre hindi sa atin to. Ayan. Okay lang sana kung sa atin, no? Anyway, yeah, so yeah, ang dami niyang little parts actually, guys. So this one is like connector. Yeah, hirap ilabas nito lahat. So this is like connector. Yeah, for the ano to, pwede siyang i-connect like OTG sa phone, guys. Yeah, so this one. And then we have here another connector. So the other one is type C. Other one is type C, guys. And this one is for those guys using an iOS. Alright, so complete siya. It's either type C or iOS. Very, very nice. And this one is for ano to? Anyway, ang dami ng little ports, guys. Syempre malit nga, pocket nga, di ba? DJI pocket. So we have here, what do we have here? I'm not sure what is this, guys, pero look at this. Let's see. Ano ba to? Meron bang nakalagay dito? Oh, mini control stick. I think this is the one. Mini control stick. Yeah. So nakalagay naman sa labas ng box. So lahat ng nakalagay sa labas ng box na included is andito talaga, guys. Alright. And we have here what do we have here? Oy! Silica gel. Ayan. So silica gel, and we have, yes, we have, this is the wrist, ano, yung tinatawag na wrist strap, guys. So ibabalik ko din pala lahat to, ano, after. Anyway, and we have here the connector, guys. So this is the connector, so you can connect it to a PC or a laptop. Right, so I'm gonna put it all back. Diba? After unboxing, you're gonna put it back. Yes. So madami talaga siya. It has a lot of parts inside. Kasi nga, syempre, complete package. And this is a pocket DJI. Ayan, so ito din yung brand nung ano namin, no, ng drone, guys. So right about now we have here the, I think this is the manual. Yes, so quick start guide or the manual, this one. And finally Ito, andito yung the adapter, the smartphone adapter Type-C, and the smartphone adapter for iOS, and the microphone transmitter. All is inside the box, guys. Look at that. And so I will not take it out anymore because it's hard to return, guys. So wow, this is very cool, guys. So guys, I think that's all for this unboxing. And ayan, paano ko ba siya ibabalik? Like, saan ba siya nakaba? Like this ba? Like this, no? Yes. Hold on. Dapat tama. Saan ba siya tatama? Is it on this side ba? O pa ganito? Hold on. I think dapat pa ganyan. So, tapos okay. There you have it, guys. DJI Pocket. So I guess that's all for this unboxing, guys. If you're not yet a member of my channel, do like, share, and subscribe. For more unboxing like this, do visit my playlist here at my YouTube channel. It's Jan Axel Gomez. And guys, if you want me to unbox something or to review something, please leave a comment down below, and I will gladly unbox or review whatever you want me to review or unbox, guys. So I guess that's all, guys. Once again, don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when my videos are ready. So I think that's all, mga kakamon, no? This is a very nice piece. So see you in the next content. Thank you so much. Gracias. Come on!